Hey, happy Tuesday, traders. This is William and with Bearable Traders, and I'm in a live trade right now. So I entered CRON right here when it was above VWAP, breaking above the moving averages, breaking this 15-minute high. I loved that this 1550 was swooping under the 9 and 20 to start to act as support for a leg up, and this actually gapped up, and it was on our watch list from this morning, because it was doing something a little independent from the SPY. So even though it's in a downtrend, I saw a lot of strength for a little move up. So it was above VWAP. Right, let's look at this. Right, it was above VWAP. It was above all moving averages, so it was kind of like my harmonious chart. I got filled at 1586. It was actually like a 3-cent spread right when I got it, so I wish it was 1582 because my stop was right under this wick of the 2 and under VWAP, and I put my stop at 1475. So I have an 11-cent risk. So this is my risk, okay? And one of these arrows is my stop. My stop is hard and in the market right now. Unfortunately in DOS, and hopefully we can get that fixed, the arrow shows up at the time that you put it, not at the price. And I put it in right away, but then I accidentally hit my escape button and I canceled, which cancels all the orders, so I had to resubmit it, which is why it shows up later. I put it in right away. So here's the funny thing, the limits go to the price. So when I'm trying to partial out for a profit, where I put my limit order, it goes to the price, not at the time, but my stops don't. So I put it at 1519. This is 1519 right here. And you can see, look at this 5-minute right here. Okay, look at this high. And then you'll see when I hover over it, you see it says 1519. I didn't get filled. If I would have hit my hotkey, I would have got out with a 1 or 2 cent slippage, or not slippage, spread. So I would have gotten filled at 1517 or 18. Is there a chance I never get filled and it goes down to my stop? Yeah, there is. But right now, I don't think that this high of this wick is the top of this trend. So look at this. So when I have my limit out at 1519, I have to have buyers buying into 1519. And right now it's hovering right below that. So if I wanted to, I could switch it, but I'm not gonna switch it. I am very confident this is gonna get filled. And I just am gonna wait for the price action to come to me. It is okay if it goes back down a little bit before it goes back up, if it waves up and waves back down, because right now, what am I seeing? Am I worried about this red candle with this increasing volume after this little candle? I don't love it. I want buyers to step in. I want to see tons of green here, all right? So now what do we see on this 5-minute? This is a bull flag, okay? That's what I see here. If it breaks this 5-minute and goes under 15, I've still got VWAP as my support. But how a bull flag materializes, you want it to break right here, have the green buyers come in and explode up, and that didn't happen. So there is a chance this whole trade is not going to work out, and I could get out right now. If I got out all right now, it would still be a 2-to-1. I don't see any big signs yet of it failing. Let's just see what happens. I might fast forward this price action. I'm happy with the 3-to-1, but if it tests back up there after a drop, I'm gonna say, all right, the VWAP buyer stepped in, this is going higher. So what do we need? We need 1-minute highs, we need some 2-minute highs, we need maybe a potential A, B, C, D to happen because this bull flag didn't break right away. So that's what we're looking for now. I've still got my original stop in, and that's not changing. I haven't taken a partial. I'm not gonna stop out like at VWAP or anything. I'll let this trade, which has been a nice winner so far at 3-to-1, and I didn't partial, I'll let it go back to my 1R. So right now I'm gonna change this limit here. This is the limit, this is my stop. So I'm gonna change this limit actually to go up to 1529. I'm not going to do it yet, but if it starts to show momentum on the way up, I'm going to. So this is how we adapt to the market here. Now what am I seeing? I am seeing an A, B, C, D pattern with buying coming in and a 15-minute bull flag happening. The 5-minute bull flag didn't occur how I wanted it to, or how the 5-minute bull flag didn't materialize. But now that I see this new pattern, this is how we update with the updated information from the market that it gives us. I'm going to change my partial. So I am actually going to get all out. I mean, I'm going to change my 1519 partial to 1529. I'm going to update that partial right now. Replace. I'm going to replace the order. So you're going to see this thing move, and you're not going to see it on this chart, but you will see it up on this, let's say the 60-minute chart, and it will go to where this order is because that order is set at 1529 also. So I'll keep that one there because I like that. But I will replace. So it's going to move right now. Okay, you see it disappear, and then it's probably being covered up by this one. Just so you know, I'll change it to like 1527, just so you can see it. There. So it's there. So I've got my stop here, and I've got my 2 orders right here. Because now that I see again, up with updated information, A, B, C break the 5-minute high, and then the D should break the high of day, or hopefully will break the high of day. You got this 15-minute bull flag with nice volume, lower volume. See, this is all what happened on the 5-minute. But the 5-minute bull flag didn't work out. And again, this could be the double top. And I could be wrong. So I could get out right now, right? Thinking that this could be the double top. I could partial out. But right now, I'm so confident in the strategy, I am okay if I am wrong. Because now this has turned into a 4-to-1, a little above a 4-to-1 risk to reward on this trade. And if we can get this pop above 1519, it is going to just probably get to 1529, or there's a chance it can get to 1529 in a matter of a couple seconds to a minute. If you just get the explosion of buying, right? Because here's, we want these buying, we want these, someone just bought 2,100 shares there. We want to see an increasing flow of buying. Look at this, nice increasing volume right here. We want it to continue on the uptrend. This is where we just need patience and just to wait. Look at this, we have a mini 5-minute bull flag. It broke the high, nice increasing volume, held the moving average on the 5, still above VWAP, no crosses of moving averages. The 50, we're getting increasing buying. Like, it's either a double top, a breakout, or a fake breakout. All right, and does it look like a double top? No, because there's no overhead resistance. Okay, does it look like a false breakout? It could be a false breakout. It could be near the high of the day if this is gonna wedge. Right there. And we need some green. We got green 26, green 27, green 28. Oh, I remember I put one at 27 to show you the different arrows. That was why. It hit at 27. And you got green 29. You see that's not enough. That's only 200 shares total. There, that's 520 shares at green 29. There's orders in front of mine that are getting filled. There's some more 200, right? Like, I can get out at 1527 right now. I can get out at 1528 right now if I wanted to hit the hotkey, but there's no point. The buying isn't super strong at this moment, but it's trying to burst through. All it has to do is hit 1530, and then this will get filled, and this arrow will disappear. And look at this. Is this going to be the very, very top? Most likely not. Bam, right? Busted through with a nice 1530 order, got filled. Now I just got to move my stop up. I've got only like, what is that? That's 25%. I have 10% of my shares left. So